Hi everyone, this is Marcy and welcome to day 5 of 7 days of spring 2021, collaboration between Dearjuliejulie and Cara Brandon of Cara Brandon Creations. Please be sure to check out in my description box below all of the other great YouTube artists that are participating in this. Please be sure to check out their videos, or you can search hashtag 7 days of spring 2021 and find videos that way. Okay, so for day 5, we've got this page from Dearjuliejulie. We've got a library pocket, library card, the flower here, card here, and this card right here with the little chicks and butterfly. It's a stationer. And from Cara Brandon, we have 3 library cards, these 2 cards, and several words or phrases. So, what I did over on this side, the first thing I did, this is a 2-page coffee dyed paper. So I went in with some ink and a stencil, some pink ink, just to bring a little pink into the coffee dyed paper. Added some lace to the edge just because. Used Dearjuliejulie library pocket and Cara Brandon's word, the garden is the mirror of the soul. Put a little lace across the top. I used some of Cara's collage page from day 3, I believe it was, and put on the back of the library pocket. And then here I just added a flower, a little bit of lace, and stitched around it. Plenty of journaling space on the back. So today's are very simple. And on this side, you put Dearjuliejulie flower here. I put the big stationer card here and turned it into a pocket. And then here I used everything else from the kit, or from the day, plus some things that were left over from previous days, and I just made very simple little bulb pen held tags. They're sort of layered tags in a different manner, in that they could be taken apart, they could be flipped. There's writing space on each one, and on each one I put one of the words or phrases. So here we've got flower, along with this image from Dearjuliejulie, and this one from Cara Brandon's. I don't remember what day it was, but I pulled that out of my box. And on this one, I put bloom where you are planted, and this image from Cara Brandon, and then I believe this ticket was also from Cara Brandon. And then here we've got Cara Brandon's 3rd card, Shine Like the Sun, with the floral image there, and a postage stamp. Again, I don't remember what day that was from, but I liked the purple postage stamp against the yellow floral. So those are very simple, but I actually do kind of like them. They can hang over the edge. I mean, just however you want, and be used as they are. It just gives, each card has several little pieces of interest to look at, but they're not glued down and covered up. So really, that's all I did for day 5. That's pretty simple for me. I think I must have been about halfway delirious when I was doing this, but I actually do kind of like the way it came out. So there is day 5. And please be sure, like I said, to check out the other videos. And until tomorrow, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye-bye.